My name is Seth Schneider, and welcome to the Intel Graphics Performance Analyzer's 2016 R2 release video. In this release, we've upgraded our DirectX 12 support by adding better visualizations, new experiments, and reduced performance overhead. Let's get started and take a look at some of these new features. First, let's take a look at some of the injection changes when choosing a DirectX 12 application to analyze. We have changed the Force DirectX 12 injection checkbox to a drop-down option in both Preferences and in Analyze Application. The drop-down in Preferences chooses the API to inject to when using auto-detect launched applications, and the API drop-down in Analyze Application is for when using Analyze Application. Just make sure that DirectX 12 is selected from the API dropdown when analyzing a DirectX 12 application. GPA application performance while analyzing a DirectX 12 application has been drastically improved across the board. Memory consumption has been halved, reducing the minimum required system memory to only 8 GB for most applications. In addition, we have reduced the frame capture size by about 50% compared to the 16.1 release. We have also reduced the CPU consumption and memory bandwidth overhead while injected. For more information about performance improvements, please see our full release notes. We have added many new features to Graphics Frame Analyzer for analyzing DirectX 12 applications this release. Dispatch calls, clear calls, draw calls, resource barriers, and areas of that nature are now displayed in different colors on the bar chart, making it easier to quickly tell what API call each bar represents. We've also implemented texture and render target flipping for your convenience. Just simply click this button and it flips the render target or texture. In addition to some nice UI changes, we have added the ability to view sample parameters in the shader view, compute states, constant buffers, UAV buffers, and SRV texture buffers. We've added more experiments in this release for DirectX 12 applications. You can now use Scissor 1x1, Texture 2x2, change any of the graphics pipeline states, change the static sample parameters, and change the shader source code. After an experiment is applied, the frame will play back with the experiment activated. You can see the result in the render target view and see the delta in the time. For more information about each of these experiments, please refer to our documentation linked in the description below. And that wraps up the features and changes from this release. You can download Intel GPA for free from the Intel GPA website or find links in the description below. If you have questions or comments, feel free to post them in our forums. Thanks for watching and tune in for the next release video.